Hey there everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this quick tip video. So I purchased some Distress Oxide inks, and this is probably one of the biggest inks that I currently have. I bought a lot of the mini inks that go in the little container, and I find that really effective and easy to store, and that way you can have a lot of inks and be able to store them in a small amount of space. But of course the oxides need to be the full size just because the formula works better in this bigger size. And I remember Tim Holtz saying that they were having a really hard time trying to figure out if it could ever go into a smaller size. And with that, it's like, well, how do you store these little foamies for your tool? For storage, I first tried this where I just put a little bit of adhesive here and then I tacked this on. But the problem is when you stack them up, you start getting other color from these little foamies on other ink things, and then you're seeing multiple colors. So I decided to come up with something a little better than that. I went to the Ranger site and I printed off the list of all the colors. I cut them up nicely, and then I made basically these little storage things for them. I added adhesive on them so that they'll stick. To store this, I have been putting these in, and now this is the Tim Holtz, and these are his stamp storage sheets that go into his binder. And see, it goes in there, and if this gets a little inky, that's okay because it's always going to be the same colors in there. And then I have a pocket for each little package. And right now there isn't too many colors of the ink oxide, so I only need 3 of them, and it's just way easier to store them. Again, these aren't going to get anything inked up other than these little protection pockets. So I find this very effective for storing them. And again, I really like this method. It's so much better than just tacking it onto the bottom. So I hope you enjoyed this little tip. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.